Parents at night. Kaya huwag na mangyari.
Are you for lowering the age of criminal liability?
Bahala na sila. Busy naman sila sa Senado at saka sa Kongreso. Baka mas maalam sila sa akin.
Mayor.
Okay, question please.
Mayor Martina Bogabis, your age. Just a clarification po. Kailan po ito ipatutupad? Saka paano po make sure ng LGU yung pagiging uniform ng policy sa iba't ibang school? Depende ba dito sa yung mga disciplinary action nila bago yung expulsion?
Ay, ano kasi, on the basis of facts lang. If you were registered caught, no, di ba, nahuli ka sa rumble, riot, outside of the school, then you were apprehended by the particular precinct and your name were registered.
Police record.
And that record will be submitted to MTSW, J. De La Puente. And J. De La Puente will coordinate with SDO, DepEd. Then they will find the names and what school they are enrolled. Then the principal will be informed and to proceed on the process of expulsion on the basis of facts. Kaya ano siya, makikita mo yung EO 29, medyo symbiotic and comprehensive.
Yung effectivity nila, Mayor, ay...
I will see kung ano magiging pasya ng Sangguniang Pangluso. We're going to submit it in 2 weeks' time. We'll update you.
Mayor...
We'll see and we will submit in 2 weeks' time the ordinance before the Senate.
May directive po ba kayo regarding po sa mga school dito sa Manila?
Milis po ngayon. Directive ako kahapon.
Yung mahigpit po na patahanan sa school, nagkukos po ng napakahabang pila. Meron po bang pagbabago sa policy ng inspection ng mga bag ng mga estudyante?
Well, nanganganay yan lahat. But I would rather have long lines of alive and safe students than long lines of bodies lying down because of their victim of violence.
May mga suggestion po sa aming interview
Sure,
ng mga
please.
magulang
Please.
na per subject or per advisory class yung inspection bago makapasok sa room para hindi mahaba yung pila sa labas na pinangangamba nila yung safety rin ng mga estudyante gaya po sa Aurelio High School na umabot sa United Nations.
It doesn't make sense if it is per advisor that you're gonna create more lines in the same lines. And you know, it is, I would rather have my teachers having a very good time doing an assignment program para sa mga asignatura. Yung time niya, magamit na lang niya in preparation of the class. Because while it is not her or his job, but we still have naman logistics pa to be extended. Kasi talagang para maramdaman ng mga atap na seryoso. And magiging ano naman yan, magkakaroon yan ng muscle memory as time progress. Masasanay na din sila. And before you know it, pagka may choppy na kami, di ba meron kami ngayon yung tut, yung
Detector. Detector.
before you know it, baka later on, meron na kami parang airport.
Yung X-ray.
Yung ganun.
Bashing ko na
Tutut. Scanner. Yun. Kung ano man tutut yun, basta kayo tutut yun. Isang handle. Hindi ko kasi alam, scanner.
X-ray.
X-ray o ano gano'n. Metal detector din. Para sa hotel.
Pero sa
O tapos, inyanyangga mo yung ano, yung sa X-ray box. It can. You know, these are developing situation. But whatever resources that we have right now, what is available there, we are utilizing it at a maximum. And I would like to share, it's a very timely to share. I already directed General Santiago during the first meeting of the implementation of Executive Order 29 to put at least 2 policemen in the school vicinity under their PCP or police station. Ibig sabihin, there is about a handful of precincts and a few dozen of PCPs all over the city. They are within the jurisdiction. Ito na, ngayon na to. Ngayon lang to. Ayun. Na mag-assign ng at least dalawa.
Per shift.
Per school. Per shift.
Per shift.
Kasi nga, malapit lang. Isang Kenbot lang sa kanila. Eskwelahan
Now,
na.
104 public schools na.
Eh, mas marami akong lespo.
Oo, alam mo, place
Eh,
mo.
4,000 mahigit.
Okay.
Wala ko lang 5,000.
Kaya pala medyo cool ka doon sa hiring ng security guards.
Oh, kasi may security guard din naman yung bang school.
Oo.
Plus may CSF pa kanya.
Ano siya, sir?
City Security Force. Under Colonel Santiago.
Ano naman yun?
Ay, ito yung mga gwardiya namin na own, I mean not own, but employees of city government assigned into facilities of the city government. It can be park, it can be school, it can be housing, it can be...
Ilan yan?
Marami-rami daw. A few dozen. Tapos may gwardiya pa kami.
Private security.
Tapos less po pa. Oo.
Force,
Kaya lang talaga.
force multiplier. Yung force multiplier.
Yun, tama.
Kasi yung panahon namin sa
Tapos
high
yung
school,
natanod, ini-encourage namin sila na baka tumulong sila. Kasi alam mo,
Mayor,
not for anything else.
Oh.
I don't want to be melodramatic about the situation.
Oh.
Sa bawat buhay na maliligtas natin, we may face all failures or hardship or what you call stumbling blocks implementing things. There is, at least there will be room for improvement or expansion. But for now, what is important is, I hope, because I cannot guarantee you, I hope it will not happen anymore. Not only in Manila, all over the country.
Anywhere.
We don't want a crying mother. Both parents are crying. I'm pretty sure the mother and the father of the perpetrator or the one who committed that heinous act is crying. More so to the victim. Parents are crying. Kaya huwag na mangyari.
Are you for lowering the age of criminal liability?
Bahala na sila. Busy naman sila sa Senado at saka sa Kongreso. Baka mas maalam sila sa akin.
Mayor, so rest assured itong policy, lahat ng policy ito ay pangmatagalan na hindi lang ito ni Ngaspo.
That's why we are creating a law.
Ordinance.
Para
Pagpalain kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila, God first.